Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. For this winter, I was looking for comfortable shoes that kept my feet warm, and I found these beautiful ankle winter booties by Haifago. These are super comfortable. I love how they are fur lining, which keeps my feet very warm. I also like that these boots are great to wear either with socks or without socks. I appreciate that these shoes are anti-slip, they're super lightweight, and they are super comfortable. You can either wear this with the sporty look, you can wear it with some jeans. It'll go great with any outfit you want to put on. These are my everyday boots. I love using it just to go to the market, run any errands. These are perfect, they're comfortable, and they keep my feet warm. I also appreciate the quality of these boots. These are premium genuine suede leather, which are water resistant. I love the style they bring to all of your outfits. You're gonna see they look nice, they look modern, they look trendy. These boots would make the perfect gift. I love the fact that they also have them in black, so you have the option of getting this chestnut, beautiful color, or black. So if you're looking for something trendy, definitely check these ankle booties out from Haifago, and that is my point of view.